All right, CES 2026. Right now we are looking at the Cosmo Robotics booth. And what is your name?
My name is Minhong Park. Nice to see you.
Good to see you as well. I know very little about this stuff. Tell me what's going on right here.
Cosmo Robotics mainly focuses on rehabilitation robots. For instance, like for patients who has paralysis, cerebral palsy, or spinal cord injury, or even strokes as well. The previous model was buyer to buyer. We're trying to focus on buyer to customer as well. So we're trying to make wearable robots for daily use for elderly people, and also non-powered passive exoskeleton for industrial workers to relieve burden, I guess.
Right. Absolutely. So I guess the question I would have, I'm a thick boy, what is the payload that this can handle?
The prototypes, they don't have any payload tests yet, but for the rehab models, can handle 220 pounds.
220, okay.
Yeah.
That's still quite a bit. I mean, it's more than I was expecting. If I want to be Baron Harkonnen and I don't want to have to hold myself up anymore, how much is this going to enable me to walk around? In other words, is this going to take me 100% and move me around, or am I going to be, how much of my own effort is going to be going into it?
For the rehabilitation robots, basically the robot does all the job because, paralysis patients, they cannot move their limbs. So in that case, it's almost 100% for the robot. The ones that are developing for the elderly people, it'll need 70 to 80% of your work as well. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, that's excellent. As far as paralysis goes, it enables people to walk again. Is this something that is going to potentially help regenerate muscles and that kind of thing? Obviously, with a spinal injury, you're not going to grow that back. But for certain injuries, lifting with lighter weight so that you can eventually go back to a stronger weight.
When the neural system is damaged, the faster you do rehabilitation, the more likely a new neuron would appear and reroute around the damaged part. So in that case, you can gain back some motor functions back.
Okay.
So that's the main goal of our rehabilitation robots.
Right. Yeah, that could absolutely change lives, man. This is some excellent technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.